This channel is for educational purposes only. All videos, presentations and writing are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk. If you would like to learn and follow our videos, please subscribe.
Hello everyone, my name is Victor from Naija TradeWise. Hope we're all having a great weekend. Now, before we begin our market selection, just a few words as usual about Naija TradeWise. Naija TradeWise is the marketing arm of BKFX. Now, BKFX is registered and regulated in South Africa, with also a fidelity guarantee insurance with ICO insurance to the tune of 6 million naira. Now, when you work with BKFX, what are the benefits you stand to get? You're working with a regulated and trusted broker, which is secure. You also have easy funding with Naira. You deposit with Naira and withdraw with Naira. Also, you get money managers who can manage your funds for you, depending on the amount. And then what they also offer, last but not the least, they offer you a 100% deposit bonus. Now, with that out of the way, let's go to our market selection for this week. So, to begin with, we have 7 financial instruments, 2 Forex pairs, and 5 international stocks. No cryptocurrency today. So, okay, so first thing we'll be doing today, the first stock we're dealing with is Johnson & Johnson. We know they've been in the news of late, most of the time for bad news, but at least this time, their COVID vaccines are getting better. Now, over the past week, they had a poor outing, but we see the trend has been bullish of all time. It's been up and up and up ever since last year, December. But now we have this pullback. So this will be looking for a buying opportunity. So I would say we come look for something, say at around here, 174. We entered about 174. We buy there, and we can take profit at say 182. That's what we have for that stock. Our next pair is Procter Gamble, right? P&G have various brands under them. Of course, also like they had last week, they had a sell-off, but we noticed that the buyers came back to push it up. Now, if we will be taking an entry here to buy this, I would suggest we get in at around here, 140. Let's just say 142.80. We buy there, and I say we take it for 150.30. That's about $7 per share profit. So that's that for P&G. Of course, that's bullish, and this is not, I repeat, it's not a short-term trade. Our next financial stock we're looking at is Pfizer. Pfizer, of course, is ahead of all the other vaccine manufacturers. Of course, they had a sell-off, but we should look to see in the new week. Perhaps we will be buyers at let's say 147.60. We buy at 147.60, and then we take profit at 52. So 47. So we get in at, like I said, 47.50. Sorry, 47. Let's look at this one. 47.70. Apologies for that. And we take profit at around 52.91. Next pair is Mastercard. Of course, Mastercard has had its ups and downs, but this has been really bullish. So I would say we should find an entry at around, say, 366.67, and then we take profit at 410. That's for that. All of this we're talking about, they've all been bullish. We are buyers in this. Now, our last international stock is Ford. As we can see, it has been bullish for quite some time, but it seems to be a sell-off, pullback. Now, I would say we should get back into this stock when it crosses 13.70. We buy there and hold it to about 17.10. Now we are going to get into our Forex pairs. First one is British pound Canadian dollar. Now this has been bullish. We saw crude oil has been bullish for the past couple of days, and this has been bullish. Of course, there was a sell-off last week. Now we can look to get into this this pair at around 1.73847. We get in there, and then we can take profit at around let's say 1.80 240. Now our last pair is the British pound Japanese yen. So what we will do is this. This has been bullish for quite some time. Of course, there was a sell-off. But what we can do is we can take our entry from here, 152.271, and we'll take profit. We can come to 164. This is a very long trade. Now, these are what we intend to focus on the coming week. If you have any questions, suggestions, or any pair you would like us to analyze, please write us at visit our website and then write us via WhatsApp or Facebook at our handles, Naija TradeWise, and Facebook, of course, Naija TradeWise. But if you want to know more about us, visit www.naijatradewise. Once again, my name is Victor, and thank you very much. You all have a great weekend. Thank you.